Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can wirelessly transfer files between your Samsung Galaxy phones and your Windows computer. This is Windows 10. So it will be very easy. You don't need a cable and it will be wireless. It is super fast and super easy to do this. Now the first thing that you need to do is to install an app from Samsung. It's called Samsung Flow. Now there's no ad in it, it's free and it's from Samsung Electronics, so it will be a very good app to transfer files between your mobile device and your Windows computer. Now, so on my phone, I will go to the Play Store and I will look for an app called Samsung Flow. So you want to find an app called Samsung Flow and you want to install it. And while it is installing, you want to go to your Windows computer. And on the Windows 10, I'm going to open up Microsoft Store. And we're going to click on the search button. Then in the search box, again, we put in Samsung Flow. And enter. Now, here it is. We need to install it on our Windows 10 computer. And then click on Install. It is a very small app, so it won't take long to download and install the app. As you can see, it's gone quite fast right here. And then down here, I'm going to click on the launch button, or you can click on the launch button right here. And that's it. So now it has been installed. I'm going to close Microsoft Store now. And here it says you can connect using Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. So your phone and your computer need to be on the same Wi-Fi network. If it's not on the same Wi-Fi network, it will not work. Okay, I have pinned my phone to the computer so you can see what's going on. This is Samsung Flow on Windows 10 and this is on my phone. So on my phone, I'm going to tap on the open button and tap on agreed. Now on the computer, we're going to click on the start button down here. And now you can see on the computer, it detects IT Jungle's S21 Ultra. So I'm going to click on that. And over here, it has the same code as on the device. So I'm going to click on OK on the phone. And on the computer, I'm also going to click on the OK button. Now, once the phone is registered with Samsung Flow on the computer, you will need to provide various permissions on the phone. So just tap on the allow button on the device to give Samsung Flow permission to access your phone. And open Samsung Flow. Okay, on this Samsung Flow Windows and on the Windows, it has the two similar screens. This will allow you to transfer files to the computer. Now before we start transferring files to the computer, there's a few things that we need to do to set up. So on my Windows 10, I have created a folder on my desktop called Galaxy S21 Ultra incoming files. This is where I want my incoming files to go to. So on my Samsung Flow on the Windows computer, I'm going to click on the More button and then click on Settings. And this is the default path, so I'm going to change it. So I'll click on the Change button. And here I'm going to choose Desktop. And then I'm going to choose this folder. And then click on Select Folder. So I now have changed the path for the Downloads folder. Now you may choose a different path. So for example, if your C drive is full, you can choose D drive or E drive or F drives. So that is totally up to you where you want to store your files. So you can change the path of the folder. In my case, I'm going to allow all the incoming files to go to my folder on the desktop. And then you're going to click on the back button. And in here on my phone, I'm going to start transferring files over. Okay, now I'm going to open up my folder. You can see this folder at the moment, it is empty. On my phone, I'm going to tap on this add button right here. So on the mobile phone, tap on the add button. And in here you can transfer images, videos, my files, audio, contacts, and notes. I'm going to try video first and then choose gallery. Okay, I'm going to open up the camera folder and I will select 2 videos file. Now these 2 videos file combined are over 1.5 gigabytes, and here you will see how fast it will be to transfer from the phone to the computer. And then tap on done, and now the file starts to transfer, and you can see on my computer it also shows the transfer progress immediately as soon as I start over here. And on my folder you can see there is 2 incoming files. Now you can see how fast it is to transfer videos file. Remember, these files are over 1.5 gigabytes. Now once the video has been finished with the transfer, you can open it on your computer to view the files. And here you can see the videos on my computer. It's playing right now. Okay, in addition to videos, you can also transfer images. So if you want, you can choose image, and then in camera you can choose images that you want to transfer, and then tap on done, and here you can see 3 images instantly transferred to the computer. And you can also transfer files from your computer back to your phone. So here I'm just going to rename this one. So what you can do is you can drag from your computer to the phone like this, and then drag it in here to share, and you can see it's now transferred back to the phone, test 2 and test file. And I can also transfer the videos file back to my device over here. Now if it's in blue, that means you are transferring the files to the computer. If it is in a gray text box, then it means that you are receiving files from the computer. And already you can see on my phone it shows 20%. I have received already 20% of the files coming over to my device. And on the phone I can also transfer using my files. So if I tap on my files, I can choose from OneDrive, Cloud Drive, internal storage. And here I can go into DSIM. I can go to one of the photo in here, and then tap on done. As you can see, it is very easy to transfer files between your Windows computer and your Samsung Galaxy phone. Now on your Samsung Flow on the computer, you can also click on the plus button, and in here you can select the files that you want to transfer and then open. So you can select files using the add button, or you can simply drag and drop onto the application. Now in addition to transferring files with Samsung Flow, there are some other features that you can also use, such as notifications. So whenever you receive notifications on your mobile device, it also gets transferred over here as well, and then you can view notifications on your computer instead of having to go to your phone all the time. You can view notifications directly on your computer. You can also use the clipboard functions. So with clipboard you can say I can copy text over here, and it also shows the clipboard on the computer. So let's say if I turn on clipboard, and on my device I want to copy this piece of text. Copy, and on my computer you can see it shows clipboard is working. So I'm going to open up the Note application, and I'm going to press on the Ctrl V on my keyboard to paste the text into my notepad. So you can copy on your device and then paste it onto your computer. That is really an awesome feature as well that you can use. Now another feature is the Smart View. So you can click on the Smart View, and then you can start casting with Samsung Flow. So tap on the Start Now, and basically I can view on my display here on my phone, on the computer. So you can see I can click on the home button, so I can cast my screen on my phones to my computer, and this is on my phone right here. And basically, yeah, so you can screen mirror using Smart View without having to connect the cables. So this is all done wirelessly, and you can you can screen mirror your phone to the computer. Okay, I'm just going to close that now, and then if we click on the menu button at the top here, in here you can click on incoming files. Incoming files will automatically open up the folders that has all the files that has been transferred over from your mobile device. And then you got scan for devices, so you can add in additional Samsung Galaxy, so you can have more than one Samsung Galaxy devices connected to your Samsung Flow. And if we click on settings, there are a lot of other settings that you can change. So you can use Bluetooth if you wanted to, or USB cable. So I'm just going to move the phone out of the way. Now if you want, you can deregister the devices. You can also send messages with enter key, and then there's other basic settings that you can change, such as open notifications in tab or in smart view, and you can change the dark mode. And so that is basically it. That's how you can quickly transfer files between your Samsung Galaxy phones and your Windows 10 computer. Easy, quickly, ad-free, and it's a free app, so you don't need to pay anything. And that is basically it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.